gosh, driving this late at night? Hopefully a potential dick appointment. Are you recording? Art thou recording? You're recording, right? Okay. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back. I don't know what to say ever in intros, so I'm sorry. I got new products, watch the video, okay? I got like 5 or 6 products like here and there on my face. Like I got a new like blush and highlight palette, which was absolutely stunning. I got new lashes, primer type thing. You better fucking be recording, bitch. I swear to fucking God, I've done this 5 times. My phone keeps running out of storage. Like what can I possibly have on my phone that is taking up so much storage? Literally, I hoard pictures. Anyways, I hope you guys are holding up with this quarantine because I am not holding up the quarantine. I never thought I'd say this, but I'm getting sick of sleeping all the fucking time. And it's literally 2 in the morning and I'm the only one awake in my house. It's getting lonely. And this fucking tan line, I swear to God. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys in like 2 seconds to do this tutorial. Jazz hands. I never know what to do.
Idiot!
I literally didn't know if I was going to record today, but here I am. I'm recording in 4K 60. I don't even know what that means. I'm up close and personal, so if you can clock my lace, don't get too close. Okay, we have this huge box here from Sephora. I'm not quite sure if I like this necklace. Get the fuck out of my life. Thank you. Are you kidding me? Okay, can I get started on my video now? Please, no more end shenanigans. This is kind of, yeah, this is new to me. I've only used this once, and of course, the one time I use it, it's in the fucking YouTube video, so. Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 2. I'm honestly not gonna do anything too extravagant with my eyes, probably just like a brown smoky eye. Perfectionist is right here, and it's a nice like tan camel-y shade. So I've been out of a job because of this fucking pandemic for like 3 months, and I'm nearly dying. I'm trying to be vegan, but it's really hard because cheeseburgers are so good. Like I can eat literally a trash bag full of cheeseburgers. So yeah, we're just building up that crease shade. Anyways, back to what I was saying before I was so really interrupted by myself. So something like that. So now it's getting really hot in here. I really want to open my window, but I literally live in the middle of KKK land. Like literally everyone loves trucks out here. I literally live in like the hills have eyes. Now we're gonna go into comfort zone. We're gonna take this more directly into that crease and on the outer V and not take it all the way in. I don't like to take it all the way into this area over here just because I feel like that like closes off the eye, and I love like a nice like cute doll eye effect. Get blown out at the outer corner. Get the fuck out of here, stupid bug. So something like that. Beautiful. Where's my script? Draw cute in here, and that's like a pretty shimmery shade. And I'm gonna take it on my pinky. Ooh. Go somewhere, you little bitch. Deepen out that outer corner and blend it a little bit more. I really need to retire this fucking broken ass shit. I really need to. It's like the only mirror. So once again, I like to really just blend. Perfect. So I'm gonna go do this eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm done with my eyes. I know it's like the most basic look ever. So I have two lashes here, Velour Mink lashes and Lily lashes, Glitchy Glam. I'm just gonna use the Velour Can't Be Tamed. Like literally so gorgeous. I always hate taking lashes out of the package. See how Corona. Okay, so and this hair needs to stay in its place. Ooh, ponytail look cute. Maybe I should do that. I don't think I could, because I kind of look like a 12-year-old boy when I put my hair in a pony. Like one day I really want sushi, and the next day like sushi is ew, you know? That's just how my mind works. Okay. Mother of God, I just dropped the lash. Oh my god, great. This is what I get for having a fucking fluffy ass cat. There's cat hair all over. Stupid bitch Kaneki, fucking whore. Oh my god. These are absolutely stunning. The worst when your eye starts watering. Wow, these are absolutely stunning, if I do say so myself. I had to wet my beauty blender. And let's just end the video here. Do I need a new one? Like, okay. Guys, my beauty blender is all clean. And we're gonna get straight into the face. The face products I have today are the Hollywood Flawless Filter, Hangover to whatever, and the Diamond and Blush, Natasha Denini. And honestly, they said you can use this as a foundation, but it just says for superstar youth glow. The future has arrived. Has it, Charlotte? Hollywood Flawless Filter, a magical new flawless filter for the best. Okay, stop. God. It's like foundation. Okay. Oh. So now I'm gonna take my DR and just put a little bit on top of that. Yeah, this is definitely very glowy underneath. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my contour stick, and I'm so embarrassed that I got this. This is the mini contour stick of Milk's contour stick. Idiot! This is literally microscopic. This is not mini. Did not know it was gonna be this fucking small. I broke it. Whatever. We're gonna take this and bronze up my skin. It's really oily. It's really oily. It's really oily. Like, it's really oily. We get it, but a little bit too oily. So I'm just gonna further more contour my nose, and I just use my trusty Anastasia Contour kit, and it's really dirty, so. And then the tip I really focus on to make it less fat and disgusting. That was kind of mean. All noses are beautiful. I just hate mine. Like, my nose is the exception of all noses are beautiful. I was driving this late at night. Hopefully a potential dick appointment. So this is the palette. So cute, like a baby pink packaging. I love this packaging. I'm gonna do my concealer first. Take whatever that's left over and clean up that bronzer mess. This has a really nice mirror, so thank God it saves me from using my very ghetto, broken Jeffree Star mirror. So yeah. Blending out my beauty blender. Taking a little bit more on my beauty blender. Wow, this is stunning. That blush is gorgeous. I don't have any new bronzers, so I just call this Get Ready With Me. I have 5 new products that I want to make a whole video about. It's literally 8,000 degrees in here. My lace literally is a stupid whore. I literally hate my lace. I don't even know why I glue this fucking bitch down. Like, do you guys see this? Now that we're done bronzing, I'm gonna go in with a blush. And it's very satiny, shimmery. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I like this blush. And this palette was on sale on Sephora. So I don't know why it's on sale, because it's actually gorgeous. Like, it's giving me such pretty cheeks right now. I'm loving it like McDonald's. Honestly, so gorgeous. Honestly, so gorgeous. Ooh. That's absolutely stunning. Why is this on sale? Mass hysteria? Like, what's wrong with this fucking palette? I'm gonna set my face with the Hangover Rx. Everyone uses this. I never have used this before, so I'm excited to see if I like it. And I hope I do. I like to cover my lace. I look so stupid. Smells coconutty. Very nutty. Nutty. Okay, stop. I'm gonna try the mascara now, guys. And this eyeliner. Where the fuck is mascara? Here's mascara. And this is Lancome in Defensals? Lancome Defensals. So I'm gonna do bottom lashes. Haven't done bottom lashes in like since I was 18. I hate doing bottom lashes, but I think I'm gonna get back into it because I kind of like them. Using a really light hand. Stunning. This does a great job though at grabbing every lash. I've never thought I would like bottom lashes, but I love them. 10 out of 10. This mascara, now I see why I was so high rated on Sephora. I don't know about anyone else, but when I do my makeup, I turn into like my alter ego. Don't know if anyone else is like that. Maybe I'm just a fake ass bitch, but with my lace lifting, like, what are you doing, Matilda? Ugh. This is my friend's, and last time I used it, it literally gave me a cold sore, so I think I'm done here, honestly. We are all done, finally. I really wish I was rich enough to have like a full face of first impressions, but one day, hopefully, one day. Any sugar daddies watching this one day, please? I hope you guys are having a good quarantine, because I'm trying to have a good quarantine, but it's really hard. It's really hard. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.